Woo doggy, baby. What a 5th day we've already started on. 2 pumps, 1 shark, bunch of ladyfish, but it didn't come without its side effects. Guys, I walked out this morning from the house, forgot my camera equipment, thanks to Brittany and Willow for bringing it to me. We've already got 4 lines out in the water, so we're hoping day number 5 will be an exceptional one. Ocean looks nice and calm. We're ready to do some fishing. And if you hadn't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like it, comment. Tell us what you think about these new series of videos coming out. Guys, I'm trying some things different. I think later on in the morning, we're gonna try some challenge stuff. We're gonna see just a friendly competition. Nothing crazy, but we appreciate you being here, and let's get some lines out. Oh yeah, that's what I need right there, baby. That's what I need, yes! Oh, don't break, don't break. Let it run, let it run, let it run. All right, come on. Come on. That's what I need. Oh, yeah. Let it fight. Come on, let this be what I need. Come on. Come on, that's my pump. That's my pump. That's my pump. Come on. Yes. Ah. Ah.
Dad, we might use 2 of them tonight.
Oh, that's definitely a keeper there. Oh, that's definitely a keeper.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at there. Oh, yeah. What were you caught on? The Orange Swirl, baby. It works again. Let's measure him up.
Look, see? See that? Please.
Oh, I know he's a keeper. Question is how big is he? Yeah, Papa probably got me on that one. Oh yeah, he got me by a full 1.25 inches. That right there is 15 on the dot. Whew.
Keeper?
That's a keeper. Yeah, I was putting the clear one on to let Willow.
Oh!
Looks like a big ladyfish.
No, it just run right in the middle of that stove.
You all right, Willow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably a damn stingray.
Oh, we already stepped on one this morning. If there's a stingray, you'll definitely know when it suctions down on the bottom.
Oh,
You got something big there.
that's a red.
Is it a red?
There it is.
Nah, I'm seeing silver. Oh, that's a giant pompano, Tommy.
Get away from him.
Oh, is it? Hell, I don't know what that is. Willow, out the water for a second, honey. Yeah, that looks like a big old pompano. It is. That'd be the first keeper. Yeah, that's a big pompano, Tommy. Or it's a permit. No, that's a big old pump.
Go with.
I'm gonna say, drag his ass in. Quit letting him play.
I'm trying.
Yeah, that's a big old massive pompano.
Don't let him loose.
He ain't going nowhere. No, he ain't going nowhere.
No.
Yeah, it is a damn pompano. Holy crap. Whoo, boy. Guys, look at this. I'm glad I damn changed it back over to the mod. Holy crap. That's a big old pompano. Woo-wee.
That's good.
He might be too big. I know. Can you believe you could get that?
Good gracious.
Look at that.
I think Papa done got it. You got your phone?
No, do you?
Good place for it.
You got
You
your
need a
phone?
picture of that rig?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
He nailed it.
I'm gonna measure it up real quick. Tommy, I think you beat my record. All right. Nope, he tied at 16. He tied me for 16.
Too high?
No, I said he tied me.
Oh, okay.
It don't matter, there's no slot limits on these. You just can't go under limit. You can go over.
Really?
Yeah. Reds you have to be careful with, but pompanos you don't. Yeah. He is 16. Actually, he did beat me. He's 16 and a quarter.
Let's take a picture of him.
I'm gonna move this thing here to get a better picture. I don't want that. That is a tank there.
All right.
Do what?
You want to go take a picture of him?
Yeah, I need your dad to take a picture of it. Alrighty, guys, it's the end of the day, and guess what? We got 2 massive pompanos to fillet. Now I'm gonna tell you what, these things right here are some slabzillas. I mean, I got a pretty good sized hand, and I mean, these things are just huge. So that's the one Tommy caught, and this is the one I caught. That was 16 and a quarter, and this was 15 on the spot. So we're gonna fillet these up and get to eating here soon. Now I got my assistant with me today, Willie. Willie's with me. Now, the great thing is, with these being this size, I'm gonna try to get as much meat as I can off of these fillets. Now I'm using my large Toadfish fillet knife. I'm gonna try to work against the bones here. I've had these sitting on ice since this morning. I can see all of them at there. All right, now once we get to his spine there, we just start working ourselves around it. And then we'll go over his spine, go down, out the backside there, fillet him up. And then we're gonna start working our way down into that belly meat. Cut right on top of here where his gut is. All right, and guys, that right there, that is one fillet. Now I got some ribs right here that we're gonna cut out. A little slippery. Little bit slippery. Willow, you gonna eat some of this tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Willow has found a love for fried flounder. All right. Still feel a little bit of bones right up top there. So I'm gonna try to get those on out because don't nobody want to eat no bones tonight. I've done enough of that over the past few weeks eating different fish.
And yeah, last night, you had one.
Yep, and then one last night. But like I said, guys, it's all in just trying. Like I said, I am no professional when it comes to this. I just do my best. I'm just trying to pull this along the parts here where that other set of bones are. Now I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. This is just the way I've been doing it for the last few times. There we go. All right. And then what we have is 2 nice, clean, look at the thickness on that. Whoo, buddy. Yep. Right. Where is the paper towels at, Willow? You see them anywhere? You gotta grab me some. Yep, that's good right there. Pull the whole thing there. That'll work. That'll work, my darling. All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, we're gonna pat them dry. That way the seasoning will stick to them real good. All righty. Now that's what you get when you get a nice, thick pompano fillet. All right. Well, guys, I got 2 more fish to do. So I'm not gonna let you sit here and be bored. We'll get back to you as soon as I get these cut up. All right, guys, the fillets are done. Now I throw a bunch of butter on there. We're gonna do one side, all the KFRED, and the other side we're gonna do the hook you Dat'l. So let's get them fired up. All right, now not only are we doing pompano fillets tonight, we're also doing shrimp po' boys. So we got some fresh shrimp, getting ready to do an egg wash, put it in some batter, and then going in the cast iron. Guys, we're gonna eat good tonight. Man, I need to put my light on. There we go, step into the light. All right, let's get it done. All right, guys, we're gonna use the Killer Hogs AP. We're gonna season up our flour there. Because don't nobody want no plain Jane breadcrumbs. We gotta season it up right. Woo, got that shrimp cooking. Got a whole nother plate over here. Once I get those and get on that, boy, we're gonna be eating good tonight. I'm gonna be sleeping good tonight too. Feel like Charlie Driggers over here, man. We be cooking and eating good. Well, I should say Haley, because Haley does all the cooking. But Charlie does all the catching. Nah, Haley does some catching too. Both of them put their equal amount of work in. But me out here smoking up the cookhouse, man, guys, I cannot wait to eat. So let's get her done. All right, slabs are going on, guys. We got all the shrimp done. Got that seasoned up with some KFRED. Whew, boy, I can't wait to make me some shrimp po' boys on that. I need to stop stepping out of the light. All right, we're gonna get these pompanos cooking, and then we go head to the table. Getting close. All right, everybody. Well, we're starting to munch down. Willow is going to try pompano for the first time. Now, she's never had it before. As you can see, it's just flaky white. She don't like spice, so we're not doing any seasoning. All right, try it. Tell me what you think. Is it good? All right. Tommy done got his piece over here on the Dat'l, and it didn't make it, so that obviously tells you it's good, and that sounds like a bowl breaking. Oh. Is it hot? I'm sorry. All right, let's pop off a piece here. I mean, look at that, how thick that fillet is. Hey, don't break that.
Daddy.
Oh.
Bone.
Yep, immediate bone. I felt it hit my thing, so I must have messed that on the back there.
Remember what happened to
Right
your
there.
tongue?
Yep. That's why I say I always proceed with caution.
The other part. I don't know.
Hey, hold on one second here. I'm gonna
Break that
dig
bone.
some. Yeah, I'm digging some bone out of mine. All right, yours I know is good. Here, pull it off. Look.
You know what that
Good.
reminds me of?
All right. Now, I'm gonna show y'all something here. Now, if you're down here in Mexico Beach, go to Mexico Beach Marina and find these. This is our second one, and we're probably gonna go back for a third one. That is some awesome key lime pie. Well, guys, this is gonna wrap it up here for the Catch, Clean, and Cook. We're gonna have a good evening. We'll see y'all on the next adventure.